Welcome everyone to another review class for our lab students. We are now in our 8th week for acupuncture channels and point categories. And today we will discuss or we will review uh, governing vessel, which is also known as tumai. And let's welcome straight from Sampaloc, Manila, Ma'am Trix Guevara. Good afternoon, Ma'am Trix.
Good afternoon, Doc.
Okay, let's start. Okay, what is the full name of the Do channel?
The Du Meridian Governing Vessel
O, diba? Kompleto, kompleto. Tumay. Where does it arise from?
arises from the lower abdomen and emerges from the perineum.
Okay. Um, where does the Do meridian, or at what point does the Do meridian enter the brain? For the information of everyone, you have to be very careful when you needle this point, no? In fact, dapat shallow lang. Okay? What is the point?
Du 16.
Okay, the do luo collateral is located where? The favorite point ni Sir Joe Bell.
Du 1.
Okay, obviously, we cannot show it to you, but what I do, this is so effective, especially pag may mga but I don't do it there. I use the ear.
Yes, within the ear.
So effective, no, sa do one. Oo. Ito ba yung point na tinatawag din na long and strong? Oo, ewan ko kung it has It is significant, long and strong. O yung ngiti ni Sir Jobel, parang alam na alam niya to. So, okay, para hindi ma-embarrass yung patient, you do it on the ear. So we have the corresponding to one on the ear, and I think it works. What does the Dumai govern? Okay, so when you are considering using the Dumai, what are the areas of interest? Or when you have issues, like what?
Mm. It governs the yang, the back, spine, posterior zone, the brain, yeah,
Okay.
central nervous system.
So everything about the back, no? Sa Chinese kasi, when you talk about the back, it's the yang, no? Because noon daw we would crawl. I don't know if it's true. So yung likod natin is the back. So it's all about the dumai. Next, what is the general course of the dumai? In other words, you need to trace the pathway ng dumai.
Okay, so from the perineum, we go up the middle spine and then over the head to end at the upper lip.
So it ends at the upper lip. Later, we're going to show you pictures. Okay, we have some caution on needling the dumai. What is that?
Uh, don't needle deeply on the spinal cord.
Uh, try not to hit the spinal cord. Bawal ang deep needling, no? Yeah. Dumai is the most yang or yin meridian in the body. Yang or yin.
Yang.
Yeah. Kaya dapat ma-master natin to, no? I tell you, it works. And if I want the effect to be more prolonged, no? I would give breast needles for take home. What is the master and couple point of the tumai? Every time you have, like, example, anything, no, back pain, shoulder pain. So we have to needle these 2 points. These 2 points will actually activate the tumai. What are these? We have the
Mm,
master point and the couple point.
okay. SI3 and bladder 62.
Okay, some books would say if the patient is female, you needle the SI3 sa right, UB62 sa left. So opposite pag lalaki. Yung ibang books naman, they needle bilaterally, SI3 bladder 62. Nasa inyo yun. Okay, the point that is located midway between the tip of the coccyx and the anus.
Do one.
Yeah, do one. Okay, what are the indications for 2-1? What do we use these points for? At this
Uh,
point,
for hemorrhoids, rectal or other prolapse, and rectal bleeding.
yes. So yun, that's a very clear indication for 2-1, no? Um, what point is located at the hiatus of the sacrum?
Due to.
So ito po yung duto ha, mataas-taas na. Can you see it all? Here. This is the sacrum. It's actually a fusion of 5 bones. So pag 5, yung ano niya, ano tawag dito, yung foramen, medyo 4 na lang, no? Andito po siya. Indications for do-to. When do you use do-to?
For sacral and coccyx pain.
So it would be more amazing if you use the needle, if you use the do-to sa ear. Diba, Sir Jobel? Do-to sa ear. I hope everybody has a copy of that book. If you are from LAMP, then probably you have a copy. Okay, this is located at the midline of the lower back. Okay, in the depression below the spinous process of lumbar 4. No? L1 to L5 man yan. Ito naman below the spinous process of lumbar 4. What do you call this point?
Do 3.
Okay, this is do 3. Kanina, yeah, this is 2-3. Yao Yang Chuan, 2-3. Okay, so I think it would be very easy for you to locate. Ipalpate nyo po ito, mapapalpate nyo naman to, di ba? And then locate the ano. Usually tender yan. And what do we use it for?
For dual disorders of the lumbar region and
Okay.
legs.
Usually, if you have an issue with your lumbars, kasama pati yung legs, no? So, katulad ng sciatica, you can use this point. But I prefer the sciatic point for the needle. For the ear, no? Expert na expert yan si Sir Jobel. Minsan nagtataka yung pasyente, bakit sa ear tinusok na wala yung pain?
Dok, anong sukat niyan sa sa coccyx, Dok, kapag tinusok po, yung karayom?
Ano po yon?
Ano po yung sukat po ng needle po, Dok, pag sa
Ay,
DO3?
Dutri talaga ay ano, um, half tune lang. Pwedeng
Half
one
tune.
tune pero half tune lang yung ipapasok mo.
Sige po.
Medyo baka yung patient, remember, nasa gitna yan. Half tune or what? Mas maganda ear na lang.
Paslant mo
Oo, slant. Yeah, very good. Depende kung gusto mong mawala. Pag gusto mong mawala yung pain, the direction of the needle would be down. Kasi 'di ba paakyat siya. Yang siya no? So if you want to relieve the pain, then pababa yung downward yung slant. Yeah. And obviously you cannot mahirap siyang i-needle perpendicular, 'di ba? Mas safe if you do it slant. If you know, obliquely slant. Ay, oblique na slant pa. Oblique. Okay, the point located, this is my favorite point. And ako, this should also be your favorite, promise. This is the point kasi where if a person has kidney yang deficiency, nalalamig yung paa, if palpate nyo po rin itong area na to, malamig din. So this is located below the spinous process of lumbar 2, in line with bladder 23, which is known as the Bakshu point of the kidneys.
2-4.
So do 4. And ito po yung do 4. Kung medyo nahirapan kayo, just remember, kung may tinusok ka sa navel, tuloy-tuloy siya dyan. Okay? O hanapin mo yung navel, iti-trace mo to.
Effective yan.
Yeah. So sobra. Lalo na pag may kidney yang deficiency, nanlalamig.
Ang bilis.
Eventually, iinit siya. No? What is the name of 2-4?
Mingmen.
Yeah,
Or
Mingman. Ano naman
Ming.
ibig sabihin ng Ming? Okay, it's called, okay, the
The
gate of life is,
do for.
sabihin, Mingman is gate of life, no?
Fire. Fire of the deepest.
Just like Shenman, di ba? Spirit gate. Ito naman, life gate or gate of life. What are the indications for do for?
Lower back pain with weakness and all kidney deficiencies.
So, lahat ng klaseng kidney deficiency. And mind you, pag may edad na yung pasyente, ito na inidal nyo. Okay?
Um,
Ito na inidal nyo. Kasi, lalo na pag above 60. Minsan nga iba, may mukhang matanda na, no? 40 pa lang pala, mukhang 60 na. Inidal nyo yung do for. Okay, let's go now to do 5. It is located at the lower border of Blanc. So if do 4 is below the spinous process of lumbar 2, saan naman si do 5?
sa L1.
Yes. And it would be very easy to remember because it is at the level with on the level with bladder 22. Bladder 22, you should remember, is the back shoe of the Santiao or of the triple burner. Yes. Next, this is the location of 2-5. Gets nyo na? So kanina, yeah, below lumbar 1. So lumbar 2, okay, 10. Okay. Next, do 6. What about do 6?
T11.
Yeah.
Lower border.
Yeah, kung napansin nyo, medyo lumaktaw siya, no? Hindi siya dumaan kay T12. Bakit kaya? No? Nag-shortcut siya. T11. Siya, T11. See? Mataas-taas na po siya si 2-6. No? Okay. 2-7 is at the lower border of,
T10.
yes. This is 2-7. And then 2-8 is at the lower border of,
T9.
okay. 2-9 is at the lower border of,
T7.
dito na siya. 2-10 is at the lower border of,
T6.
yeah. Okay, 2-11 is at the lower border of and level with bladder 15, which is the back shoe of the
Heart.
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 What is level lower border of?
T5.
Maganda sa mga back shoe, 'di ba? Kasi parang pareho yung number, katulad ng T5, 'di ba? Do 12 is at the lower border of Blanc and level with bladder 13.
T3.
213 is at the lower border of,
T1.
yes. And so, what is located at the depression below spinous process of C7?
Do 14.
Yeah, ito po. Indications for do 14.
It clears heat, pacifies wind. It's for the neck, shoulder, and upper body pain. It also tonifies yang.
Okay. If you want to clear the heat, you have to sedate it, right? So the direction of the needle should be down. But if you want to tonify the yang, especially when you improve the memory, no, nag-aaral ka, you tonify it with the flow. Talagang pupunta sa utak mo yung inaaral mo. What is the meeting point for the young organs?
Do 14.
Okay. What is located below C1? And dito, no deep needling is allowed. Siguro mga,
Do 15.
yes. This is 215 below C1.
Point.
0.5 lang siya sa do 16. Do 16 would be easy to locate because napapalpate mo itong yung skull, yung dito sa yan. Nakita nyo. Okay, directly below the external occipital protuberance. No deep needling. So dalawa na, do 15 and do 16, no deep needling. Or masanay ka na buong do channel, no deep needling. Okay, what is the point here? What is the point?
Do 16.
Yeah, there. So 0.5 tune below would be do 15. 1.5 tune superior to do 16 is
17.
7.
7.
So kita nyo to. So 1.5, 1.5 na yan. 16, 17, 17, 18. 1.5 tune superior to do 17 is
18.
yeah. 1.5 tune superior to do 18, puro 1.5, no?
19. Do 19.
Yes. Okay, this is a very important point. 7 tune superior to the posterior hairline and 5 tune posterior to the anterior hairline. What point is this?
Do 20.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to know kung hairline mo nag-recede na o hindi? From the intang, you count 3 tune. No? Yan yung anterior hairline mo. So from the anterior hairline, you count 5 tune. Then you will locate your 220. Kita nyo? Here. So hindi po pwedeng yung anterior hairline mo nandito. No, di ba? Yung iba kasi yung hairline nandito na. Kasi yun yung
Parang may
issue. So ano gagawin mo kung nandito na yung kanyang hairline? So Bisaya pang agtang, kuha na kayong agtang, no?
Puro
Um,
agtang.
puro agtang na lang. So gagawin nyo, 3 tune, galing sa intang. So yun yung mo, anterior hairline. Well, in reality, yung hairline mo nasa likod na, no? So you count 5 tune from there. And then, hanapin mo yung posterior line, 7 tune. So 7 tune. So the whole thing is 12 tune from the hairline to the posterior hairline. Indications for do 20.
It benefits the brain, the head, and sense organs. Also pacifies wind, raises yang, subdues yang, and pacifies the spirit.
Okay. What if you want to lift the face? Diba ginagamit natin yan sa facelift? So, yung direction ng needle mo should be towards the patient. Like if you're at the back of the patient. Hindi towards you. Kasi hindi magli-lift pag hindi mo tinusok ng ganon. Okay, the point 1.5 tune anterior to do 20 is
21.
okay. You see this? Do 21. 2 tune posterior to anterior hairline.
Do 22.
Yeah, dito. Yeah. 1 tune posterior to anterior hairline.
23.
Okay. Indications for do 23.
And it benefits the nose.
Try daw natin mag-lift ng nose niya, no? Kung tabingi yung nose, what do you think? No, I think the benefit here is yung mga congestion, no? Pero let's try, no? Why not, di ba?
Chinese Doc, no?
Try mo daw. Kasi meron akong ano sa spa. Gusto kong, kasi medyo tabingi yung ilong niya. Tingnan ko. Do 23. Okay, the point, one half tune posterior to anterior hairline.
Do 24.
Ay nako, alam nyo, you use do 24 if you want your patient to tell everything. If you, i-open up niya. Combine mo with gallbladder 13. No? Do 24, GB 13. Ganon dito. It's so effective. May nung sasabihin na hindi niya nasabi. Okay.
Gallbladder 13, Doc.
Yes, do 24 and gallbladder 13. Dalawang gallbladder 13. Ay nako. He will, you know, he will open up. Tip of the nose is,
Do 25.
payag ba kayo? Ilagay sa iyo. Mukhang ano, parang hindi ko gusto to. So, do 25 tayo natin and do 23. What are the indications for do 25?
Acute lumbar sprain restores consciousness and calms the spirit.
Okay. What is located at the junction of the upper and lower two-thirds of the philtrum?
Do 26.
Yeah. Especially pag yung pasyente mo na himatay.
Yeah.
Takot sa mukha mo, no? Eh, ano mo na dito? Yeah.
Oh, emergent.
Yeah. Indications for do 25 to do 26. Ito yung answer mo dapat. Acute lumbar sprain restores consciousness, calms the
Consciousness, calms the spirit.
So if you want to restore the consciousness, no? Or kung inaantok ka sa haba ng lecture, do 26. Okay, the point at the junction of the upper lip and philtrum.
Do 27.
Okay, and dito. This is yung iba, yung flat yun dito, mga ano yan, hindi,
Nothing.
medyo walang ano, may problema sa reproductive. Sige, tingnan nyo yung philtrum nyo. Para kung, kung baog yan. So, okay, inside, yeah, I had a patient before. Wala talaga siya dito, philtrum. Now, this point is located inside the mouth, at the superior frenulum, junction of the upper lip and gum.
Do 28.
Okay, dito po, who would like to demonstrate? Diyan ha, this is your frenulum. Ito, di ba? Andito siya. Where does the Dumais pathway originate? Sinabi mo na yan kanina?
In the lower abdomen.
Okay. Where does the Dumai emerge?
At the perineum. Or do 1.
At what point does Dumai enter the brain?
Do 16.
At what point does branch in the brain exit? There are 3 branches.
Do 20.
Where does the Dumai terminate?
The junction of the upper lip and gum.
Yeah. Do 28, no?
Do
Does
28.
the first branch of Dumai originate from?
Lower abdomen.
Where does the first branch of the Dumai go?
Descends to the genitals and perineum. And winds around the anus. Ascends anterior of the spinal column and enters the kidneys.
Interior, yeah. Where does the second branch of Dumai originate? Also from?
Lower abdomen.
What is the pathway of the second branch of Dumai?
Winds around the external genitalia. Ascends to the middle of the umbilicus. Passes through the heart. and then winds around the mouth, ascends to below the middle of the eye.
Okay. Where does the third branch of the tumai emerge?
Bladder 1.
What is the pathway of the third branch?
It follows the bladder channel bilaterally along the forehead, and then the bilateral branches converge at the vertex and enter the brain. The single channel emerges at DU16, then it divides again, descending through bladder 12 along either side of the spine and enters the kidneys.
Okay, puro kidney sila lahat, no? Talagang dino-nourish nila yung kidneys. Okay, this was asked earlier. What are the master and coupled points?
SI3 and UB62.
Okay, always needle these points kung may pasyente kang may shoulder pain, may back pain. What are the coalescent points of tumai?
Do 1, do 28, Ren 1, or bladder 12.
What is the luo point of tumai?
Do 1.
What are the functions of tumai?
Governance of the yang channels, provides heat, the yang qi to warm the organs and channels, influence the function of the brain, head, and sense organs, strengthens the body constitution, and enhance immunity. Also regulates the function of its associated organs and channels.
So maganda rin pala siya sa immunity, no? What are the associated organs of the tumai?
The uterus, kidney, the heart, and the brain.
Okay. Kaya maganda siya for memory, no? Especially 214. What are associated channels of tumai?
Ren, the chong, the bladder, and the rest of the 12 primary through the bladder and chong.
What are some of the diseases and disorders of tumai?
The anus, the rectum, and intestines. Genitals, uterus, and urinary system, spine, febrile disease, zang fu, sense organs, heart, zang, brain, and spirit.
Okay. Itong corresponding to their location, I think you need to associate this with a box shoe, no? Katulad nung, ano to? U11, di ba? What are some of the tumai pathologies?
Disorders of yang qi, disorders of the brain, emotional and mental, and nervous system, congenital and degenerative disorders, immunodeficiency, the head, face, and sense organ disorders.
Okay. What are some of the emotional and mental disorders you can treat with tumai? Yung mga nakaka-relate dyan.
Manic depression, violent behavior, schizophrenia, depression, anger, anxiety, worry, fright, fear, melancholy,
Dami, no?
epilepsy, wind stroke, convulsion, coma, syncope, opisthotonus, neuropathies, neuromuscular diseases, nervous tension.
Yeah. Tian Kwang is bipolar.
Yeah. Bipolar pala.
What is the ay, naulit na naman. What is the luo?
Do 1.
What is the pathway of the luo point of the dumai?
It arises at the Do1 and ascends bilaterally along the sides of the spine to the nape of the neck and spreads over the occiput. At the scapular region, it connects with the bladder channel and threads through the spine.
Wow. What are the signs and symptoms for tumai luo deficiency?
There's heaviness of the head and dizziness and vertigo.
Signs and symptoms of 2-my luo excess.
Excess stiffness along the spine, rigidity, and stiffness of the spinal column.
Great. Crossing points of the 2 and bladder channels.
Do 13 and do 17.
Crossing point of the yang channels.
Do 20.
True or false? Do channel treats both exterior and interior wind.
True.
Do channel is the sea of blank channels.
This is the sea of yang channels.
Do 4 tonifies what?
Tonifies the kidney yang.
Yes. Nako, you should do it, no? You should, ay nako, effective siya. Do 1 treats what?
Problems of the anus, hemorrhoids, prolapsed anus.
Empirical point. Okay, ang ibig sabihin ng empirical, we do not know the reason why it is being used, no? You just have to remember na you have to use this point every time you have this problem. I think you're familiar with carbuncles and furuncles.
Do 10.
So, wala nang tanong-tanong. Do 10 na. Siguro sa mga bata, no, you can use the ear, do 10. Okay, the points, the 2 points that are very effective for digestive problems.
Do 5, do 6, and do 7.
Kasi malapit sila sa ano, di ba? Ito isa kay triple burner. Yung si 6, di ba? Do 5, 6, 7. Okay. The do point for muscle spasm due to interior wind.
Do 8.
The point for liver gallbladder treatment. Oh,
Do 9.
remember that. The point that strengthens the body.
Do 12.
Para hindi hindi lumiit. Do 12. The sea of chi points.
Do 14 and 15.
Sea of marrow points.
Do 16 and do 20.
The point to treat aphasia.
Do 15.
The crossing point of all yang channels.
Do 14 and do 20.
Yeah. The point that lifts the spirit and promotes resuscitation.
Do 20.
The point that treats acute lumbar sprain.
Do 26.
The point that treats unconsciousness.
Do 26.
The excess symptoms of luo connecting channel. Kanina pa yan, di ba?
Stiffness along the spine.
Deficient symptoms of luo connecting channel.
For heaviness or dizziness.
How to needle? Do 15 and 16.
Avoid deep insertion or upward insertion. And perpendicular or shallow insertion, 0.5 to 1 soon. Don't rotate or touch needle after insertion.
Diretso lang, no? Contraindications of do 20.
For infants whose skulls have not fully grown together, or patients with hydrocephalus.
What happens when you have internal wind? Ano yung symptoms ng patient?
So there's dizziness, vertigo, convulsions, tremor, tingling, shaking, and numbness.
Yeah. Crossing points of yang wei or the yang linking channel.
Do 15 and 16.
Ghost points sa do channel.
Do 16, do 23, and 26.
Window of sky point.
Do 16.
Okay. lilinaw yung ano mo, yung isip mo nito. Pupunta ka na sa sky. The crossing point of two urinary bladder and the stomach.
Do 24.
Crossing point of do stomach and LI.
Do 26.
The point that regulates kidney chi, eliminates wind cold dampness, tonifies yang. So this helps with impotence.
Do 3.
The famous point for epilepsy.
Do 2.
Okay, don't forget that. Maraming may mga epileptic. No? The most important point for tonifying kidney yang, as in kidney yang deficiency.
Do 4.
Point for relaxing sinews and soothing the liver.
Do 8.
Point for calming the mind and regulating heart and lung, primarily deficiency patterns like sadness, anxiety, poor memory, fright, palpitations.
Do 11.
Point for pediatric acupuncture to calm the mind and strengthen the body.
Do 12.
Point for tonifying the young, as in overwork and fatigue. Tonifies deficiency, especially night sweating.
Do 14.
The point that stimulates speech.
Do 15.
Important point for treating wind, sudden inability to speak. So, the window of the sky to benefits the brain, nourishes the sea of marrow, head, and neck.
Do 16.
Powerful point for clearing the mind.
Do 19.
The point that is the most young point benefits sense organs, calms the spirit, nourishes the sea of marrow, promotes resuscitation, tonifies young, strengthens the ascending function of spleen. Actually, this is a favorite point for uterine prolapse or rectal prolapse. No?
Do 20.
The point used mostly for nose problems.
Do 23.
Okay. If the BP is if the systolic is over 170, do not choose the scalp points, no? Yung mga points doon, do 20. Alam niyo ba to why?
There's a risk of dropping blood pressure so suddenly.
It could also trigger a stroke. Depende kung how you needle it. So, gusto nyo i-try? Joke. Kaya, check the blood pressure, no? Okay, what are the Yuan source Qi related points?
GV1. One lang yung sagot.
Ren 4 and Do 4, kidney 3 is the source point. Ren 8, the prenatal Qi. Alam niyo man siguro saan yung Ren 8. And Do 3, the meeting point. Diba? Do 3 is also good for impotence. Yeah. Combinations for points opening to the extraordinary channels.
SI3 and bladder 62.
No.
Ano
Okay.
ba?
Okay, for lung 7, sa Ren channel, you often combine with kidney 6. Okay? Yung SJ5 combined with GB41. Spleen 4, we combine with PC6, bladder 62 with SI3. Tama ka, but kailangan lahat, no? So the combination that's good for asthma and spontaneous sweat is lung 7 and kidney 6. For the profuse vaginal discharge, Sanjiao 5 with GB41. Migraines on the temporal area, Sanjiao 5 and GB41. Distal points for lower back pain.
Do 3 and do 26.
No. Bladder 40, LI10, SI3, 220. Favorite mo talaga bladder 40. Don't forget. Actually, pag low back pain, no? I'm sure yung iba makakalimutan nyo, but Yeah, SI. So do 20. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you,
Thank you,
Ma'am
Joe.
Chris. More power and congratulations. You got most of the questions. Thank you very